In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Google Drive, share files and folders. Let's start right at the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, find the file or folder you want to share. You can look in My Drive, a specific folder, or use the search bar if you have a lot of content. Click once on the item to select it so you can manage its settings. With the item selected, open the sharing options. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Share, or by clicking the share icon at the top of the page. If you're previewing a file, you'll also see a share button in the preview. Go ahead and click that as well. All of these open the same sharing window, so use whichever is easiest for you. In the sharing window, look for the section labeled General Access. By default, it's usually set to restricted, which means only people you specifically add can open the file. Click the General Access drop-down to see more options. Choose anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to open the file or folder without you needing to add them one by one. Just below that, you'll see a permissions drop-down. Viewer lets people see the content but not change it, which is the safest default for most cases. Commenter allows feedback on supported files like docs, sheets, or slides. Editor grants full editing access. Use Editor carefully, especially for folders, because it allows people to modify or remove items inside. Once you've selected anyone with the link and set the right permission level, click Copy Link. This puts the shareable link on your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, chat, project management tool, or wherever your team needs it. If you're working with sensitive information, double check the permission level before sharing to make sure you're not giving more access than intended. When you're done, click Done to close the sharing window. That's it. Your file is now accessible via the link. And yes, the process is exactly the same for folders. Select the folder, open share, switch general access to anyone with the link, choose the permission level, copy the link, and click Done. A quick tip before we wrap. If you ever need to revoke access, just return to the same sharing window, change general access back to restricted, or adjust the permission level. That way you stay in control of who can view, comment, or edit your content. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to give access on Google Drive quickly and confidently.